Welcome to LearnLight channel. You will get 30 questions and 10 seconds for each. You can pause the video if you need more time. If you are new here, please like and subscribe. Are you ready? Wish you the best of luck. What is the capital city of Japan? The answer is Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital and the most populous city in Japan. What is the largest planet in our solar system? The answer is Jupiter, a gas giant with a massive red storm. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci, a Renaissance master artist. What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City, an independent city-state in Rome, Italy. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare, England's legendary playwright. How many continents are there? Seven: Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Europe, North America, Oceania, and South America. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington, served from 1789 to 1797. What is the capital city of France? Paris, known as the City of Light and Love. What is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale can grow up to 100 feet and weigh 200 tons. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? Portuguese, introduced during colonial rule by Portugal. Who discovered gravity? Isaac Newton observed gravity after seeing an apple fall. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Seven colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest peaks at 8,849 meters in the Himalayas. Who is known as the father of computers? Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical computer. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond, formed under high pressure and temperature. What is the capital city of Canada? Ottawa. Located in Ontario, it's Canada's political centre. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Carbon dioxide, used during photosynthesis to produce oxygen. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Pound sterling. Symbolized by pound, it's one of the world's oldest currencies. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah can run up to 70 miles in short bursts. Who wrote Harry Potter? J.K. Rowling, the British author of the magical book series. What is the capital city of Italy? Rome, home to historic landmarks like the Colosseum. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Au derived from the Latin word aurum. What is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean covers over 60 million square miles. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell patented the invention in 1876. What is the capital city of Germany? Berlin, known for its historical and modern landmarks. What is the name of the largest desert in the world? Sahara, a hot desert spanning North Africa. What is the national flower of Japan? Cherry blossom, a symbol of beauty and renewal. What is the capital city of China? Beijing hosts famous landmarks like the Forbidden City. What is the most spoken language in the world? Mandarin Chinese, spoken by over 1 billion people globally. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland, located between the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.